Hey folks, welcome to my channel. These next videos that I post will be about the attic. The transformation finally, it's been a long time coming. So we have the trim up. We still got to go over a few things there. We need to paint that white over there in the corner. We have baseboards, crown molding. We have that up now. And let's see what will be next. Will be me decorating this nook. Actually, I have a couple nooks to decorate. This will be the entertainment nook. We have these awesome ceiling fans, which are so nice. I love these. I've got those from Home Depot. So I think the last thing we're going to replace up here in the attic is this door. My husband thought that if he painted it, that it would match everything else up here that was new. But as you can see, it's really raggedy. So we're going to get rid of it so that I can be happy. And maybe window treatments also. That may be the last thing that I'll change. But yeah, this door is, the paint didn't do a thing for it. It's gotta go. Okay, so we're gonna go up the ladder. I'm gonna show you the cuts on the ceiling here. I had two different people that cut for the light coverings, and they cut it incorrectly. Don't ask me how that happened, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna show you. We had two different people that came up here and, you know, messed. Let's just say they were not precise. Okay, they were not precise with the cutting, so yeah. But other than that, you know, we'll get it fixed. We'll get some coverings, but that'll probably be like the last thing. So yeah, that's that. Well, thanks for watching, and stay connected because I'll be posting a lot of videos, okay?